Hey everyone, for this week's Innovation Team video, I am going to be talking about drones. Now this week, we had a very special event which presented all sorts of cool information regarding drones. After attending this event, I have practically fallen in love with drones. Not only are they so fun to fly and mess around with, but if used effectively, they can have profound benefits on our society. In fact, UAE and DA are one of the best places to use drones right now. This is because UAE is one of the first places to implement drones in real life by launching the world's first ever Dubai air taxi. The number of drone sales have quadrupled since 2012 and is expected to keep growing exponentially in the future as drones start being used for aerial photography, infrastructure inspections, traffic incident detections, and drone deliveries. So drones are definitely going to be around in the future. To make students ready for such a change in the future, we are going to be promoting drone usage in every class to help students develop problem solving and solution fluency skills. It is important to remember that the real world application combined with education is the only way to equip students with future skills.